We are outside of Walmart because I'm out of glue. Slime Mania is coming up. I don't know when you're watching this. We're coming to Atlanta, we're coming to Dallas, and we're coming to Cleveland. And usually I get all my supplies online, but that's not the case right now because we're leaving in a week and I need supplies now. So we are at Walmart and we're about to buy them out. Let's do it. Pom-Poms, glue dye. They actually have a lot of variety roll here. Like they have like different shades. I'm living. I like how they have different types, you know?
That's why I like it here because they're like assorted.
Oh my god, I'm really going in, guys.
They're like individual here.
Tip for all the button makers. Please make your buttons without the backs. Because I promise if you made them without the backs, people would buy these as charms. I feel like I would like these in clear slime. You can always experiment with them.
I don't know what to say. Hello, hello, hello.
These people. I need Apple Barrel to make all the colors in this size. Everything that has fluorescent in it, I think would look so cool in slime.
Yeah.
Well, the fact that there's Halloween stuff in stores already. Alright, kids. So today's lesson is slime. You guys, I really want to be the Sanderson sisters for Halloween. No, but Raul, we could make some noodle slime with this, dude. Like, no lie. You guys, it is always so freaking weird to just be walking around because I go shopping to these stores like all the time, you know? So it's so weird to just like see my face like, oh, there she is again. I actually just released a bunch of new products here at Walmart, so hopefully you guys see them soon. Oh my god, I found knickknacks. You guys, this is always so dangerous. Oh my god, you guys, why? I would literally buy this entire thing.
That's adorable.
God. Fettuccine Alfredo slime. Fettuccine Alfredo with these thick bands. Slime, fettuccine Alfredo slime. Honey. Right now, Walmart is so packed with a bunch of people shopping for back to school, and they have amazing add-ins for slime. But I think I'm gonna get my glue at Target. I think I'm gonna do that. They actually don't have the new kits yet right here because right now when I'm filming this video, it's a little pre-film. They're launching this weekend, so they're not here right now, but by the time we're watching this, they will be in stores, and I can't wait to come back. Up for Chubbs, we couldn't resist. So we got him some like building block thingies, foam things, and then we got him this. We thought he would like it.
Like an overbite.
We love slime add-ins. All right, off to Target we go. You go in and there's a dollar section, and then you ignore that, you try, and then you see clothing. Every time I come here, I end up buying everything. Help me. So we stopped by. There's only one of these left, but I also signed it. I'm gonna be doing that at a few stores. Girl. Somebody's like, please buy me, buy me. Also only have 2 of these left, which I also signed. This spot right here at Target with the home decor, this is the spot that always gets me. Always gets me. It's so hard to walk away.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Walk away, keep walking.
First things first, the obvious, glue. I'm so tempted to try these because I actually have not tried these, guys. I don't know if I should just go crazy with those or just stick to the gallons. I don't know. So these are really small, but the good thing is that the small ones for some reason are super clear and not tinted at all. The glue gallons have like this yellow tint to them, and these little ones don't, but these are great, and it's a really big tip for making like ultra clear slime. If this wasn't connected, I would legit just take the box, like no lie, but we have to get them one by one.
Basket for that.
Okay, actually, I just started trying these out recently, and they're low-key bomb. You have to like mix them with a clear, I've noticed, because it's a little jiggly-ish. Not jiggly, it's like really thick, but also tiny bit jiggly. So you kind of have to mix it with the other clear. You guys, we've been here for 5 minutes and the cart is full. Oh my god, you guys, I'm Nicole Jacqueline. I just realized that we never bring you guys along when we shop for slime.
for a second. Oh,
Glitter!
You know what? These are actually,
fucking
oh my
expensive.
god,
They're
these
bomb.
are cute for slime roll.
Pop off.
I'm sorry I said it, we're
Wait,
taking them
yeah,
off.
get 'em.
Guys, look at those pretty
Those have little
stars.
What? I've never seen these at Target.
Straight up.
Okay, this glitter.
Paint some other
See, the thing is, when you go online shopping, you know exactly what you're looking for. When you go to a store, you kind of just go digging and see what you could potentially use, which is actually really cool because sometimes you don't know what you want, and when you're in stores,
Yeah, that's true.
you find stuff that you're like, ooh, I would never buy this online, but I found it here and I think it's cool, you know?
So you'd say that you get inspiration from shopping.
Yes. I really like the Daiso and then the kawaii clay. I don't know if I want to mess with. Actually, I have seen like really big slime shops use these too. They mix all types of clay. So this is actually probably good to mix with other clay.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't use it just on its own. But it is used, so I am taking it. These thick pom-poms are like extra big, jumbo. Me. So the pom-pom, I was thinking like the yellow balls, like this is are big. They could be some kind of lemon slime. I don't know. I think they'll work. So I'm getting 2 of them just to test them out. The couch breaks. Literally like coming in, I was like, don't let go too much because you're about to break this couch. I forgot what I was saying. Let's do a slime haul. Let's do a slime haul. But before we begin, congratulations to the back to school giveaway winners. The winners are right here. Thank you so much to all of you guys who entered the giveaway, and congratulations once again to the winners. I hope you love your prizes. And let's see, what is shopping this time around was actually super fun because we went to Walmart and Target, like I said, and because we just launched new products literally back to back, I was like, you know what, we're gonna go sign some products. So we went to the toy aisle, and also it was a little awkward because I'm so weird about filming in front of people, even if it's been like freaking years on here on YouTube. I signed some products. Let me know if I should do that more often, and comment down below what cities are you guys from. But yeah, let's get into the haul. I got a lot of stuff. So I went to Walmart and Target and just bought a bunch of slime supplies that I could find because, like I told y'all, Slime Mania is literally coming up. I needed to do some shopping very last minute. We got some pom-poms and I thought that these would be good for slime. I think what I would do is I would separate them all like by color and eventually use them in slime. And I think they would be so cute. I think the reason, didn't I mention like the yellow ones? I was thinking of some kind of like lemon one.
Yes.
So we got these, the reds, like the cherries. Like I'm already thinking of so many. The orange jumbo pom-poms for some kind of orange one. I love that they're jumbo, and I think that's why I got them, because they're jumbo. I also got some Model Magic clay, and I got a lot of this. Whoa, oh my gosh, I got a lot. Whoa, I really did. Oh my gosh, I thought I was just trying to sample them. I didn't realize I got so many of them. At the Squishy Bunny booth, we have mine and his homemade slime, and we needed to make some slime that we were honestly behind on. So that's why we went to these stores and got a bunch of stuff in stores. Usually we get a lot of supplies online. But in this case, we were like, we need to do this now. We have days. And we were just so focused on Slime Mania itself and all the logistics that go into that we kind of forgot about the booth. I've actually heard that this is not that bad in slime. I tried it one time in my 3 a.m. video actually. I don't know what the heck I'm gonna do. And I wasn't like a huge fan of how this soft clay made butter slime, but I realized that when you mix clays, it actually turns out pretty well. I also got some chunky glitters, and let me tell you, I'm actually so excited about this because this is another thing that I usually just get online. I didn't think that in stores you would find glitters like this that are so freaking beautiful and so chunky. Usually there's not like a mix, it's just one type of chunky glitter, and I feel like now they're really coming out with all these chunky glitters because they know about slime. They look so cute. I also got a lot of clear glue, and y'all saw me go off with the Elmer's clear glue 5-ounce bottles. And the reason I got these, for some reason, are so much more clear than the gallons. I did go off with some gallons, I did. Okay, let me show you guys. I feel like in stores it was kind of hard to show you, but here that the lighting is like right here, I feel like you might be able to see what I'm talking about. This one has kind of like a yellow tint to it. I know you're probably thinking like, no, it's the gallon, like the actual plastic, but it's not. Once you actually take it out, like you could pour this into a container and you'll see the yellow tint, and then with this one it's like ultra clear. But I've always noticed that these and the quart size ones are the ones that are super clear, so I got a lot of these. All right, we also got more Pom-Poms. These are a little bit smaller, actually much smaller. These are like the regular size ones. I feel like usually Pom-Poms don't get my attention that much unless they're like a really cute color. And with this, I feel like white and simple was just really cute for a slime. We got a lot of paint, and I'm talking a lot of paint because this entire bag right here has paint in it, mostly paint. Paint is actually the only thing we always get in store, huh, Ro? Yeah. Like paint, we always get the paint at Walmart, like all the time. I found these really cool neon ones that I showed you guys in the store, and they were fluorescent, and I thought they were really cool. Like this neon purple. Like, are you joking? That's gonna be a beautiful color. I was shocked at how many colors they had of food coloring, so I just took literally every shade. We are definitely stocked up on paint and food coloring. And if you're wondering what's the difference between paint and food coloring, nothing. I mean, food coloring is meant for food, but it makes like great slime and stuff. I've noticed that the only times I actually use food coloring is if the slime is clear and I don't want it to lose its clarity. So we got some rubber bands, and I got rubber bands because I have had this idea for the Squishy Bunny shop for a minute. Squishy Bunny, by the way, is my husband. That's my man. Where I thought it would be really cool if we did like this fettuccine slime. I've seen people make like noodle soup. It's not real soup. It is a soup inspired slime, and they use rubber bands, like the other like thinner rubber bands. So I was like, if I get these that look like fettuccine, then it would look like fettuccine alfredo. Whatever. It sounds crazy now, but I want to cut these up and I want to make some fettuccine alfredo slime. More clay. We got the glue I was showing you guys, the clear glue. Also, I got this right here. This is called Fashion Bead Assortment, and I'm assuming this is like for you to make jewelry and everything, but I thought these were really pretty colors to go into some kind of slime. I went off with the glue at Target. I got the Nickelodeon glue in blue, and I got it in pink. So I got these. I don't know if they have other colors, but like I've tried these before, and they're actually pretty cool. Like when you mix this with the clear, it's like super thick. So I also got some clear Elmer's gallons, and I got a bunch of regular school glue as well. In these stores I could not find glue all, but we actually have a place where we get all our glue all usually. Like if it's not online, it's at Home Depot, guys. Like Home Depot has a lot of glue all. We go off at Home Depot, we call in an order, and we go pick it up. That's all the stuff that I got. I'm so excited for Slime Mania. And again, congratulations to the back to school giveaway winners. Do not forget that we have new Craft City products at Target and Walmart, so go snatch those. Tag me and Craft City Life on Instagram when you buy something. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.